Hey beekeepers, quick little tip here. You have frames with foundation in them probably, and that's a good thing. It keeps the comb straight. For the Parkinson Hive, one trick that you can do, because we've got that plexiglass in there and you want to be able to see in, you just pop this foundation right out. It just pops out, trust me, like that. And then what you want to do is measure your fancy tape measure 4 inches or so, and what you're going to do, what I do, is just take pin snips and you cut 4 inches off of each side. And what that allows you to do then is you'll have edges that you can see all the way up the hive then. So you got a 4-inch strip there, and then we'll do the same thing on the other side. And that'll leave you 2 4-inch strips on the edge, and an 8-inch, roughly an 8-inch strip in the center. So you can reuse these 2 4-inch strips in another frame that doesn't have foundation. So you can buy frames without foundation and put these in. And now what this allows you to do is when we get this back in the frame, and we can kind of center it up, it gives the bees a good, center foundation to build on. And then on these edge pieces, the comb size is fixed here, but it's not here. So if they're going to build out drone brood, they can do that here. Or sometimes the honey, they make bigger comb here. But the other part is that when you take this and you put it in your extractor, because of this here, you don't blow out the honey if you're using these they fill these with honey. So it won't blow out in your extractor either. So this is a cool little trick, and it allows you to see up the edge of the hive.